Hey everybody, Brian here. Welcome back to my video. We're going to be doing some kayak fishing today. I'm out on some of the access canals between Lake Pontchartrain and Lake Maurepas down here in Manchac, Louisiana. It's a little bit overcast, a little bit of a breeze, enough to feel good. Water's nice and calm. I'm also going to throw out a couple crab traps while I'm out here. So, I got the yak all ready to go. Let's launch her and have some fun. Alright y'all, I'm just launched. I just got a little piece of brine shrimp on the end of the cork here. According to my fish finder, I'm supposed to have a bunch of fish under me. So let's see how this goes. Sorry a little bit about the background noise. That's I-55 right next to me. So I'm in about 10 feet of water. Go ahead and cast out further. Yeah, that already took my shrimp. Hope he's still on there. Seeing small groups of fish, not much. Mostly hanging on the bottom. It's a little warm out here today. There's a big group there. Got a little cork popper, so it makes some shrimp noises when I pop it. I think I might just have to take this cork off and just go straight to the bottom. Because all the fishies are hanging out at the bottom. I'll go ahead and do that. Oh, I lost a shrimp. That could be another reason why I'm not getting any bites. Drop this one.